I think number 14 in the other rooms, but number 12 is here. And then of course I rubbed so much off, but there still is a good brush for me. So submerging the brush, the bristle into the monomer, and I am going to pick Peach Bellini from the 4th anniversary exclusive 2-in-1 acrylics powder. So I'm gonna place this of smaller beads. It can be medium beads if you're having a shorter length nails. It can be a bigger beads if you have really short nails. It can be a smaller beads for the long nails. So however you are going to, you know, divide it. So I'm going to do like about 60-70%, and then but then right here on the part that we are going to do ombre, I am going to really gently blend it to make it like nice and blend. So then when I put the love, the first love, it will not look lumpy. So now clean my bristle, submerging back into the monomer, pick up smaller beads of first love, and you can do 2 beads or 1 bead. After a while you start getting really like enjoying it and get comfortable with it. Definitely you can pick up 1 bead for the second part, which is we are going to ombre. So every time make sure if you need more of a monomer, make sure you are going to clean your bristles really nicely and remove all of the excess powders left on your bristle. So then that way you will not contaminate it into your monomers when you pick up the next beads. So now when I'm doing it, I'm holding my bristle really nice and like flat and parallels with the nail. So then that way the belly of the bristle right here, you see a thickness part, it will able to blend it nicely for you and without really like have to put a lot of effort in there. So I'm go ahead and clean my brush, my bristle, submerging back into the monomer, and pick the second bead about the same size as the first bead, tuck it in close to the cuticles, and really gently. You don't have to pat it like really aggressive, just pat it gently and guide it in the middle of the nails. And using the belly, it looks like I'm using the tip, but if I'm showing on the sides, I am using the belly of it to really guide the bristle, the beads. So then that way it's staying really nice in the center of the nails, and it keep the shape, the structure of the nails really nice without looks bulky on the side. I do like the looks of it though. Looks cool, huh?
Yes.
You have to see in a person now. I'm not sure as how it looks in here. Let me focus. Is that focus on that one? Okay, good. Okay, now. All right. Maybe this one right there. Okay, good. Perfect. So now we are go ahead and cap. Really important, we are going to cap this middle part where the ombre is gonna be, because you don't want to finish the final looks later and have the buff and the fine to just remove completely your ombre. So we are going to pick about medium to the big beads, and then we are going to cap it. You can definitely cap it all the way to your cuticle, or you can able to do it right in the middle of the nails. So I'm gonna do just really like tilt the nails down, let the gravity do all the work for you, and then we are going to taper it in the middle of the nails to keep the beads and the structure of the nails nicely. And by doing this, it will save you so much time filing later.
Nice.
You like it? I think I like it. I love all different techniques from like liquid and powder, marbling, ombre, solid color, glitter color. And it's still really setting, so really gentle with this. And then we're happy with the look. We're going to not cure under the lights, just let it air dry for like whenever. It's normally